So, Maison Cosmetics is basically marketed as a beauty brand offering cosmetics designed to give you better-looking skin and a more polished appearance. The products may look appealing, but there are a few things I'd check before buying. The biggest question is whether the formulas actually live up to the marketing. Skincare and cosmetics can produce noticeable results, but claims about dramatic transformations should always be taken with a bit of skepticism. I'd also look at the full ingredient list, product sizes, reviews from independent customers, and whether the products are suitable for your skin type. A beautiful website doesn't necessarily tell you much about the actual quality of the formula. So, is Maison Cosmetics worth buying? It could be worth considering if the ingredients and reviews check out, but I wouldn't buy purely because of the branding or promotional claims. Overall, do a little research before ordering, especially if you're trying a new skincare product. Check the ingredients, return policy, and independent feedback first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.